Shalom, welcome back. Let's get started. So we're going to start out with 7 fresh washed strawberries. And what we're going to do is cut the tips off. So that's what I'm showing you here. Move that over to the side and let's go ahead and cut them. You're only going to be cutting the tips, that's all. To save you time, I went ahead and cut them and speeded it up. So as you can see, my tips are now cut. Make sure you guys like, share, and also subscribe to this channel because trust, you won't be disappointed. Now I'm going to bring in an extra bowl. And this is pancake mix. You're going to be using 1 cup of pancake mix. And also 1 cup of water. But I measured it and it came up to 3/4. So just take your time in putting the water in there. Do it step by step. Don't pour it all in at once, as you can see me doing. You're looking for a thickness, a thick batter. The reasons why is because if your batter is too loose, then the batter will not adhere to the strawberries. So as you can see me doing is giving this a quick mix. And I'm pouring water in as I go. Take your time in doing this. You want the correct consistency. And as you can see the batter coming together, that's the kind of consistency you want. A very thick batter. So then you take 1 strawberry, go ahead and place it in the batter, cover the strawberry up, and what you're going to do is take it on over to the deep fry. We're going to go ahead and put it in a pot of canola oil. The reasons why I chose canola oil because it has a light taste. So therefore you do not taste it. Only thing you're going to taste is them strawberries. So what you're going to have to do is this cooks about a good 15 minutes. Just make sure that you wash them and sporadically also mix them as well too. So it cooks on all sides. I'm going to show you that a little bit later. Keep watching. And as you can see, it started to brown on one side, so you're just going to give it a quick toss, making sure that it browns on all sides. Trying to give you guys that slow-mo action, you know. And if you guys can smell this right now, it almost smells like funnel cake. I kid you not. Okay? And once that's done, there you go. There's the product right there. And all you gotta do is just dress this up the way you want to. Trust me, you would definitely enjoy this for a breakfast or a brunch, whichever you desire. And with that, you guys, make sure you stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And also, stay in the spirit. And with that, I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Shalom.